With 3 of our most innovative technologies built into strategic areas, the Trail Dryer is ready to take on aerobic activity in the heat. Built into the sweatband, OmniFreeze Zero uses little blue rings that position an active cooling agent next to your skin and react with your sweat to lower the temperature of the fabric, creating an instant and prolonged cooling effect. OmniFreeze Zero is demonstrated with this high-definition thermal imaging camera. First, here's the fabric before we apply moisture. Now we add water in the form of steam. The moisture causes a reaction in the blue rings. They now show as a dark blue on the thermal camera, indicating a drop in temperature. When you get hot, it gets cooler. To keep you dry when you're sweating a good workout, we gave the Trail Dryer OmniWick EVAP in the bulk of its fabric. Ideal for aerobic activity, this wicking accelerated technology gets you dry and comfortable faster than ever before. OmniWick EVAP fabric wicks moisture quickly, allowing it to evaporate more rapidly. A special compound disperses sweat across a broad surface area for accelerated evaporation. Rounding out the technology and keeping you protected in the sun, OmniShade UPF 50 sun protection uses tight weave construction, UV reflectors, and UV absorbing technology to help block damaging UVA and UVB rays from reaching your skin. The Trail Dryer also features a hook and loop back adjustment. This hat is made to keep you comfortable and protected in the toughest warm weather environments. It's further proof that trying stuff is as cool as it gets.